Market update here on the 22nd. Probably going to be a pretty quick update because I made a midday video and pretty much what I said in that video happened over the rest of the day. We got one of the most boring moves for Elliott wave, which is a fourth wave, and you can tell it's a fourth wave when it just chops a ton and then takes forever to move any which way. So we got that pretty much all day from, well, we dropped down here at 10:20. From 10:20 to the end of the day, with 15 minutes left to go, we did a fourth wave. And so we got ABCA, ABCB, ABCA, B, ABCC, overall fourth wave. The 1.61 fib of the A wave comes out to exactly where this hit. So it looks like a pretty valid fourth wave. If we measure it from the top of the second wave, comes in perfectly for our fib area that you want to see, the 0.23 fib. So valid fourth wave. And then the last 15 minutes of the day, we got a straight red candles from 377.55 all the way down to 374.14. Pretty much close to the low of the day. And this is pretty much just the start of the fifth wave. And if you remember from the last video, I said that the third wave was longer than the first wave. So then we know the fifth wave can be as long as it wants. Usually though, they're about the same length. Two of the waves are usually the same length. And so the length of the first wave is 396.31 to 382.13. So that's about 14 points. Excuse me. So 14 points from 377.53 equals 363.53. Again, that would be a double bottom with the June lows. That's my main target, and I've said that in the last couple of videos. But to reiterate, anything below the third wave at 373.46 could be a valid fifth wave. We could come down here to 373 and be done. We could go to 350 and still be a fifth wave. So really nothing is set in stone yet. But if we zoom out here a little bit, so based on the fibs, we're talking 363. But then also, if we take the 1.61 fib of the A wave, you'll see also 364. So I'm guessing based on that, we're going to go to 363, 364. And so then go back in here on the 5-minute time frame. This might be a first wave, might not. But if it is the end of a first wave, you would expect a bounce here tomorrow to about 375.83. Be a great place to pick up some puts, put a stop above the high, and then just write it down here. If I'm looking for a third wave, I'm looking for the 2.61 fib. This wouldn't get us all the way down to 364. This would, though, if we got down here to 368.77, and then we bounce, and we had one more move lower for the fifth wave. So pretty much just need to break this low and aim for about 363 to 365. And that would be the end. If we zoom back out here on the daily time frame, and we come back down here and we double bottom, I'm looking for this to play out. I'm looking for 5-wave move to complete the overall C wave. So we have A, this would be B, and then this would be a 5-wave move for the C wave and the overall B wave. If we zoom out here again, you'll see I have A, this is A, B, C for the overall B wave. Question is it possible that this is a 5-wave move? It is possible that it is a 5-wave move, but like in the last video, we didn't really make a convincing move outside the parallel lines. So with that being said, I still think this is a corrective move, which would be more likely a B wave. If we do come to 365 though, like I've been talking about, that could potentially be a third wave. So I would keep that in mind, like 1, 2, 3 bounce, and then one more move lower, possible. But I still think it's more likely that we bounce into midterms. So we'll be watching that. Those are pretty much the only two scenarios I see now. So basically, a little bit more downside in this scenario, and then a move higher into midterms. Other scenario would take us probably to like 340 or 350. But for this move down, I'm expecting that to happen later in the year, or after midterms, maybe early 2023. And I'm expecting it to go down to like low 320s or low 300s. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll put the key takeaways in the description again. Let me know what you think in the comments. And were you trading today? You make any money? Let me know, and I will probably put out another midday video tomorrow if we get that move down for the fifth wave. So I will talk with you guys tomorrow.